Hello.
Running for my life, I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball.
But there's one sound that no one knows.
What does the fuck say?
Shut up!
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Shut up!
And do the Harlem Shake.
Shut up!
Hello? Hello?
My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like,
Baby, baby, baby.
No!
Baby, baby, baby.
Shut up!
This one is for the boys in the polos, entrepreneur niggas in the mogos. He can roll with the cool, he can so loud, but I think I like a murder when he down loud.
Jelly bean, it's just my love. Ow! Hey guys, so there's this music event next year called WOMAD, yeah, whatever. So I really want my friend band Harborlane to play there. So if you guys could go and vote for them and make them get the most votes, they will be able to go and play next year. So can you guys please help me and vote for Harborlane? They currently have 765 votes, so if you could go and help them, that would be great. The link is in the description. Thank you.